Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get unbanned on Wizz app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The first thing you can do is waiting to get unbanned, because sometimes the accounts are banned for a couple of hours and you may get unbanned if you wait for it. If this doesn't work for you, you can try using a VPN and then opening the app to check if the problem is solved. You can download a VPN from the App Store by searching for it and downloading the one you prefer. If the problem persists, you can try resetting your network settings. In order to do that, you need to go into your device settings, go to General and scroll down all the way to reset the network settings. And that's how you can get unbanned on Wizz app. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.